We're out today in one of our days of action, tackling street level drug dealing in the city centre and also over into Lower Dennistoun and the Calton. The difference with this is we've been planning it with partners, so it's not just about enforcing the legislation and arresting and searching people, it's very much bigger than that.
Because this is very much the first step in a long-term strategy that we're developing within Glasgow to how can we reduce the harm that drugs causes to individuals and local communities as we support, as Police Scotland support that kind of wider public health approach. What we're doing is we're increasing our enforcement activity, tackling street level drug dealing, and that's in response to complaints and concerns from local residents and businesses. It's far more than enforcement. It's very much we've planned it with our partners, particularly our outreach teams that are operating in these areas to try and help people. It's very important the police service provide that enforcement role because that's what the public expect us to do. It's a key part of what we do, but there's also a lot of work that will be happening behind the scenes that members of the public might not see on the street, where we've got concern of an individual that maybe we've arrested because they've clearly got an addiction or habit, and how do we get the support for that person by referring them to another agency, referring them to an outreach team. That work in the background will help that longer term, the harm that it's causing to that individual through a drug addiction, but also that wider effect that can have through crime getting committed within local communities and very much as part of the family and friends.